Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Kickstarter project that is live right now. All you gotta do is click the link down below, check them out, choose one of the backings, and see what features they come with. And I got one to show you. Hope everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And now here it comes, courtesy of Fitrus Plus. The pocket size body composition analyzer. This is what it does. Body fat, stress index, skeletal, muscle mass, basal metabolic rate, heart rate, skin temperature, steps. So basically it's like a personal trainer in your pocket. Here's what it comes with. The device, USB, and a manual. Compatible with the iOS and Android. I got my iPhone right here, got the Pro Max, so it's good to go. I downloaded the app, set it up. All you got to do is set up with the email, password, really easy to use. So here's what the inside. I already charged it up, so that's why it's empty. USB cable comes in here, and then there you go. So that's done with that one. And now time to show you the device. This is so cool, guys. You guys are definitely going to want to get a couple of these. Here it is. Kind of looks like a video game controller. Really sweet. We got the sensors right here. This one is for the skin temperature, and this one's for the heart rate. And these, see, touch sensor. That's what they're called, or 4 electrode sensors. So it measures your skin, skeletal muscle, body fat percentage, and other components via electrode sensors. Touch sensor screen is right here in the middle. Power button right here. USB charge right there. It should be good to go. Put that down. Show you the app. 1 second. Let's pull it up in their iOS, or they got a QR code scanner and the directions. So alright, just the screen. There we go. Fitrus Plus, right there. Fitrus, really cool. It shows pretty much your calories, your goals. You could do. You could create your BPM, stress, temperature, your weight, your goal. Go into your settings up top, down below. You want to change this. Oops. Settings. Oh, unit. Go to unit. There you go. Centimeters to feet, kg to lb, kilometers to miles, and everything's set. So once you set it, you want to save it up there, and then go like that. And now we're going to test this thing out. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Now we're back. Okay, we're going to try temperature. Measuring skin temperature right there. See, I already did a little trials run. Tested out. Skin temperature was 89. That was probably a couple hours ago. And now we're going to do it again to show you guys. You're going to have to turn it on. 1 touch. Look how easy that was. And there you go. It says connected. You're going to put the device on your hand and hit the start button. Some of them, I'm going to tell you, you got to be standing still and be quiet. Stuff like this. Okay. Start button. Look how fast that went. Boom. Now mine's up to 92.3. Started moving around. So we got that good. And now we could do surface. So you gotta turn it on. It's connected. You just put it down. Perfect for your coffee in case it's too hot. But we're gonna try this table. Show you how fast it goes. Boom. Alright, so that was easy. You could challenge your friends to stuff. You could add them, burn calories for steps. You just walk. Don't really. You're just syncing up until you turn it on. So you got the steps right there on the screen. Getting steps, but you could see right there. I'll tell you once you get it going, but don't need to be running around today. Stress, goal, you could do the weight, body mass, measuring body mass. Click on. Okay. I was going to say hold, kind of like a reverse. I think it's this one, yeah, because this light turns on once you put your thumb on it. And for this one, I'm going to have to be quiet and stand still. So if I go silent, that's why. It's because this thing. Okay, so this one, kind of like this. Here we go. Oh shoot. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's kind of hard with the white background. Start. Alright, sorry about that. Ah, shoot. Alright, there you go. So once it gets done, and register that, and it'll show your data on the screen. So we got that covered. Now shut that one off. And stress, I haven't done that one yet. So measuring, turn it on. Okay. So let's make sure your finger is on the sensor right there. Okay. Boom. Whoa. My stress level is high. Take time for yourself. You should not eat many. Alright, so I gotta slow down. That's cool though. That's really helpful. Like I said, this thing is gonna be a lifesaver. Especially if you're going for your walks, your pretty much anything, any activities you do outside. Have this in hand, record it on your phone. In case you have any problems, you can always show your doctor or your nurse or whoever. This will be definitely a life changer. Check them out, guys. Link will be down below. Get these now before they're gone, because this is a genius idea right here. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good day, and I will see you guys in the next video shortly. See ya.